Welcome back to Litlearn Lounge, fellow history enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into a captivating era that shaped not only literature but also the very fabric of society. Join me as we uncover the intriguing world of Geoffrey Chaucer and his timeless masterpiece, the Canterbury Tales. Picture this, a time of social upheaval, political unrest, and the winds of change sweeping across Europe. It was an age of Reformation, both within the Roman Catholic Church and in the hearts of people seeking a new direction. But amidst this turmoil, a renaissance was underway, a rebirth of ideas, art, and culture. And right in the heart of it all, Geoffrey Chaucer, a literary genius whose words echoed the spirit of the times. Chaucer, often dubbed the court poet, penned his thoughts during three distinct periods, the French, Italian, and English periods. His works, like Troilus and Chryside, House of Fame, and Parliament of Fowls, paved the way, but it was the magnum opus, Canterbury Tales, that truly defined his legacy. Imagine a journey to Canterbury, a group of diverse pilgrims sharing stories of love, humor, and morality. These tales, a story within a story, provide snapshots of medieval life, vividly painted by Chaucer's intricate characters. Knights, merchants, monks, and more, each with their tales to tell. These stories are a window into Chaucer's keen understanding of his world, even if he was a court poet distanced from the common folk. And oh, the humor! Chaucer's writing carried the first full expression of English humor, a blend of cynicism and kindness. His exposure to Italian humanism and Renaissance ideals added a touch of freedom and liberalism to his words. Enter the 14th century, a period of transition and emergence. As the middle class rose, nationalism ignited, and humanism sparked a quest for knowledge. English language and literature expanded, all setting the stage for the literary giant we know as Chaucer. But remember, Chaucer wasn't alone in shaping this era. Poets like John Gower and William Langland offered unique perspectives, critiquing society and religion openly. John Gower's gloomy view of the times contrasted Chaucer's satirical critique, while Langland's Piers Plowman exposed the struggles of the common man, adding depth to the medieval mirror. As we turn the pages of history, remember that these poets, like Chaucer, mirrored their times through their words. It's fascinating how writers in different corners of history and society viewed their ages so differently. And speaking of perspectives, Wycliffe's revolutionary translation of the Bible into English shattered religious barriers, opening doors for theological discussions in the vernacular. His influence was undeniable, even leading to heated debates within Oxford University. But these shifts laid the groundwork for a new era, an era that bore the name Chaucer with pride. As we wrap up, remember that Chaucer's impact extended beyond his time. The 15th century, often known as the era after Chaucer, was a bridge to the Elizabethan Golden Age that awaited. So stay tuned as we explore the 15th century's role in paving the way for that remarkable era. Thank you for joining me in this captivating journey through Chaucer's world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to embark on more historical adventures with Litlearn Lounge. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.